Hello guys, it's me, Brand X2, aka DJ Brandon Gaming Prince, and just so you know, I finally got my DJ controller for my computer. And sorry, hold up a second. I would have got it earlier, but the package got delayed a few hours later, and so it came it came to Best Buy at 7 o'clock, and my mom went to Best Buy and picked it up for me, and so I got it. I'm going to do a little unboxing for it though. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And sorry about my voice though, cause I'm a little sick, which what I don't know how I don't know how I'm getting sick. So yeah, don't know how. Yeah, and again, sorry about my voice though, and talking all weird. Hold on a second. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Oh shit. Comes with this instruction manual. The controller itself. Let's see. And a DJ software too. Pretty good. Oh shit. Pretty good. And got the little that's it. And got this little thing for the microphone or the headphones. Okay. And the cords. Bingo. Looks pretty good. Can't wait to try this baby out tomorrow. But yeah, I'm going to test this baby out tomorrow. And I'm going to let you know. And I'll let you know about the chop and screw news and updates I'm going to give you. So, yeah. But anyway, guys, this has been Brandon X2, aka DJ Brandon Game Prince, and I'll see you next time. Peace.